Hallyu everyone! It's just Paula and welcome back to my channel. You might be wondering why I am wearing my national costume. That's because this video is made in collaboration with the Philippine Embassy here in Seoul, Korea. They gave me an invitation to join and experience Fiesta Filipinas, an online celebration of Philippine festivals. And as a chosen participant for the first event here in Seoul, we will be watching the Baguio city's Panagbenga festival. They also provided me this Panagbenga festival kit for me to try these local products and enjoy it while watching with them. So the Panagbenga festival kit contains fruit crisps, Malagos dark chocolate, Benguet bourbon coffee, Cappy's handmade magnet, and dried flower kit. I am very much delighted to try these local products, so join me as we experience watching virtually the Panagbenga Festival in Baguio City.
Welcome to the islands. The smiles are set. The celebrations are waiting. The fiestas are here. The Department of Foreign Affairs, in partnership with the Department of Tourism and the National Commission for Culture and the Arts, proudly present Fiesta Filipinas, an online celebration of Philippine festivals.
The origins of the Panagbenga Festival can be traced all the way back to July 1990, when a 7.8 magnitude earthquake hit large parts of Luzon. Now, it was one of the strongest earthquakes in history, and Baguio was one of the most affected areas at the time. Sadly, buildings collapsed and many lives were lost. As a result, not many tourists came to visit. 5 years since the incident, the people of Baguio thought of creating a festival to encourage visitors to return. And this gave birth to the Flower Festival, which eventually became the Panagbenga Festival. Panagbenga comes from the Kankanay term, which means season of blossoming and a time for flowering.
A touch of magic awaits. So sit back and relax because we're about to experience Baguio's blossoming celebration, the Panagbenga Festival.
So colorful! So impressive to learn that nothing goes to waste after this festival. Galing! Wow!
This was just a sneak peek, guys. What more if you're physically present to witness Panagbenga Festival in Baguio City? Shall we continue the virtual tour then?
In 3, 2, 1.
Visitas, welcome to Baguio.
I really love this flavor. The coconut plus purple yam with banana. I'm saving it. It's almost finished.
These hearty dishes, all from
Wow.
Baguio and the Cordilleras.
Look at all this
That-
food.
I know you're all excited to try these. So, let's eat.
I already
Or
ate
as
lunch, but
they
it's
say it,
still making me hungry just looking at this food. Mangantaku, let's eat.
Don't worry, Bisitas, we won't leave you craving. Start opening your kits. You'll find fruit crisps, hot chocolate, and this one's my favorite, Benguet coffee. Go ahead, give yours a try.
I really enjoyed these local treats. As for the fruit crisps, I made them as toppings for my breakfast smoothie bowls. It's a guilt-free healthy snack made from 100% real local fruits. It's all natural and a fresh new way of snacking on these tropical fruits while helping the local farmers in the Philippines. It's also gluten-free, vegan-friendly, and doesn't have any cholesterol. And as for the Malagos chocolate, I didn't only eat it as it is. I also made a hot chocolate. It's a premium chocolate from the Philippines with a distinctive and pronounced taste. Their tree-to-bar high-quality beans and chocolate bars have been garnering awards internationally, including the 2019 Heirloom Cacao designation, number 16 in the world. And as for the Benguet Bourbon coffee, I made a caramel latte for myself. Benguet coffee, also known as Benguet Arabica, is a single-origin coffee varietal grown in the Cordillera Highlands of the northern Philippines since the 19th century. It is one of the main crops of farmers in the province of Benguet, which has a climate highly suitable for Arabica cultivation. Benguet coffee is listed in the Ark of Taste's International Catalog of Endangered Heritage Foods by the Slow Food Movement.
Even though I'm a Filipino, I've felt that I'm also a tourist in my own country. I didn't even know about these local dishes. It's my first time hearing them, and of course I've never tried them before. It's such a shame, I know, but rest assured when the pandemic is over, I will fly back to Manila and take a bus to Baguio City. Oh, the virtual tour of Miss Shal made me want to go there right now. I just want to experience all of what she has mentioned, from wood carving, weaving, cultural performances, potting flowers, visiting our national artists, tasting local dishes, getting close with nature, and many more. The virtual tour is just one of my favorite parts in experiencing the Fiesta Filipinas. Another is when we did the DIY dried flower arrangement. I personally love arts and crafts, and so learning how to make it online with an expert was a great opportunity. Thank you to Miss Steph Mora for sharing her expertise and knowledge on how to create this beautiful dried flower bouquet that you can display at any parts of your house.
It can be used as a centerpiece on your dining table or kitchen counter, or even on your desk, or put it on the shelf, or in your living room, in your vanity, and even in your bedside table.
Lastly, I got so amazed and blown away by the auditory experience.
You take a whiff, then a sip. This is something new to your senses.
I really felt that they took me to Baguio City while sipping this delicious Benguet Bourbon coffee. This whole part of auditory experience is just so unique and creative. I didn't even want to end this yet.
Luckily, I got this Capiz refrigerator magnet as a souvenir to always remember the Panagbenga festival.
It's so interesting to see different faces and races from New Zealand, Belgium, India, Russia, China, Kenya, Italy, and from all parts of the world. Everyone was praising and commending things about Panagbenga Festival, which is why I also spoke to my families and foreign friends to share my journey in this virtual experience and for them to try it as well. After watching the video, I got so emotional because as a Filipino living in a foreign country, I miss my first home, my family, my culture, and other things that can only be seen and touched and experienced in the Philippines. I'm also sure that Filipinos abroad will agree with me. There's just so much valuable information that is available in Fiesta Filipinas. And you can really feel the amount of effort, love, and hard work that they put in this video to create a wonderful virtual experience for the viewers. I appreciate all the people behind this video, from the curated gift box to every detail of this production. So thank you so much, DFA Philippines, Department of Tourism, and to National Commission for the Culture and the Arts, and to all the organizers, events team, production team, and everyone who worked hard in creating Fiesta Filipinas. I've learned so much from the Panagbenga Festival, even though it was held virtually. And I'm also looking forward to watch the other Philippine festivals. So please make sure to watch DFA YouTube channel. I will attach a link in the description below. And special thanks to all the staff of Philippine Embassy
To Ma'am Charmy,
for delivering this beautiful kit safely to our home, and to Ma'am Liza Viejo for reaching out and made this collaboration happen. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you learned something new because I did, and got a glimpse of what my country, the Philippines, has to offer. And hopefully someday when the pandemic is over, grab the chance to be physically present in these Philippine festivals. But for now, as I always say, stay safe wherever you are, and God bless you. Bye!